Today I'm going to the recording studio. It's called Pearl Studios, or it's called The Pearl in Minneapolis. A couple piano songs to play today, and it should be a wrap, and we'll have a new record.
If you're wasted, crawling away from the dungeon, realizing it won't buy you a thing. If the timing has you climbing, realizing, compromising, he's a gift that won't cost you a thing. My flesh melting down the drain, sanctify me, I'm your property. Oh, you think you need a limousine to get you from A to B? Your words so suddenly come to me with the gospel on my tongue so constantly. No, I won't bow to the world at all. No, I don't need your baklava. I moved out of the city.
You have to toast the bun. So bomb. Thank you, God. Lettuce is a big bonus too. That literally took me 10 minutes to make. And this is so good. Thank you, God. We got more snuff. We got a couple inches, just enough to go out. It is time to go to work. Oh man, it's gonna be a long day and a long night. My tablet for work. Where all these tractors are, that's where all the drivers are, so I know where everyone's at. Good grief. Another day of snow work. I'm gonna be in the fuel truck again. I'm gonna be jumping around and filling tractors up who need it. And in between tractor fills, I'm going to be doing some driveways, clearing out some alleys and different things like that. Alright, we're going to fuel up the diesel tank in the back. That way we're ready for the first person who needs it. Do you need fuel? Let me get this going. What's up, buddy? We're on our way to the first property. That ought to do it.
Destinations on your right.
I was just at this customer's doorstep and there's literally a wasp on the wall and it's alive. Look. And there's snow, it's winter, and that wasp is literally surviving. mile straight across the street. No cars coming. Whoa. I just got a call that Eric needs some fuel. We're gonna go meet up with Eric and get him some fuel. Howdy.
I'm almost empty.
I got you, dog.
Alright, where do you want to go?
Right here's fine.
Alright.
So, I've had a bunch of old elderly people yelling at me too. Alright, he's all filled up and good to go. Off to the next one. Take that first right to the direction that I went and come to Valentine Drive. Thanks, later. Later, homie. Another satisfied tractor driver.